Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI for data analysis. First, go to the Claude AI on the web or app, then start a new chat or project, and this will be your workspace where you can do all your data analysis in one place. Next, upload your data by dragging and dropping your files such as CSV, Excel, JSON, or PDF, and Claude will automatically read and understand the structure of your data, so you don't need to set anything manually. Now, clean the data by asking Claude to remove duplicates, fix missing values, or format dates. And this step prepares your dataset so your analysis becomes more accurate and reliable. Then, analyze the data by using prompts like show summary statistics, find trends and patterns, or detect outliers, and Claude will quickly process everything and give you useful insights. After that, create charts and visuals by asking for a bar chart of sales or monthly trends, and this helps you understand the data better in a visual way instead of just numbers. Finally, generate a report by asking Claude to summarize key insights in a report, and it will create a clean and professional summary that you can easily use or share. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.